So this is welcoming you to Shopwise, the digital marketplace. We are into sales of different digital products. Also, our website is a marketplace for sellers who would like to promote and showcase their products and services worldwide. Our website has good SEO and a very wide coverage, and we are gaining more and more views per day. So you can do well to take advantage of our wide audience to reach out to customers with various products. Some of the things we have on our website include solar installation, design, accessories, and all the products that have to do with solar installation. Then we also deal in vehicle particulars, vehicle documents. If you want to register your vehicle, either fresh registration or re-registration when you pass your vehicle to a new owner, that's change of ownership with new plate number, all can be done so easily on our website. www.shopwise.com.ng is the website. So this morning we want to feature a unique product that is new in the market. As a solar expert, we'll be bringing in to you things that will be of benefit to your home, to your household, to your offices. But today we'll be talking about this solar cooker. You might have heard of it, you might not have heard of it, but however, we'll be introducing it to you this morning. And that is okay. So take a look at it. We're unboxing it this morning. Here is the solar cooker. That's the carton. So here is the solar cooker. If you unwrap it, here it is. See the surface, and it's powered by DC 12 volts battery. This is the under of the solar cooker, and this is the hot plate. Right, so these are the LED indicators to show when it's working, and it comes with two sets of alligator clips. Two sets of alligator clip. This is the first one. This is the first one. You can see. And this is the second one. Okay, two sets of connection. Why are there two connections? Well, it is because it is designed either for a situation where you have a small power supply, rather the battery is not big enough, and you want to use just a minimal part of the circuit. Is divided into two, so you can decide to use half of it. So if I have this setup here that we will later use for our solar training, this is our solar training kits. We're going to use this later to run our solar training. But meanwhile, what we want to do now is to make use of this battery. So this is how you connect your stuff to the battery. So I have this. and I'll be doing this too. Okay, so here it is now. You can see, so one of the LED light is on because it's connected to the battery here. It's just a small battery here. So in case your cooking gas finish at an awkward time when you cannot go and get a refill, if you have this and a battery, you can still do some cooking, right? So for you who have an inverter in the house and usually the inverter is charged, all you need to do is to take this clip and take it to the terminal of the battery. Just clip it there, positive and negative, and you begin to cook. This is also good for where there is abundant sunshine, in which case you just connect to a solar panel. Connect to solar panel and you are good to go. Now it's already coming up. It's getting warm. So that's the solar cooker for you, and it costs between 35 and 40,000 in the market, which will be like how many dollars? That should be like $50 thereabouts. But if you need it, you can visit our website www.shopwise.com.ng to get it. That's it. Solar cooker. Connect to connect it to the solar panel and you start cooking. So that's the unboxing of the solar cooker for you. If you need it, check in the description below. You'll see our website address, www.shopwise.com.ng is our website. You can always place your order and you'll be sure to get one for yourself. Likewise, any other things you may need for your solar needs, inverters, solar panels, used and new, Tokumbo panels, are all available on our website. We also have installers who will do it for you, and we have upcoming training. As you can see from our training board here, this is going to be used for solar training as well as automation training eventually. So keep watching and you stand to benefit a lot, to gain a lot from our upcoming videos. This has been Olumide Ojo from shopwise.com.ng. Let us have your comments on what you would like to see on our channels in the future. We really appreciate your time, and we hope you like and subscribe so that you'll be aware when we post in new videos. Until another time, it's goodbye from Shopwise. Have a beautiful day.